The 10th grade science course at Parkview is chemistry. We have 3 different levels of introductory chemistry open to our students: college prep or CP chemistry, honors chemistry, and gifted chemistry. AP chemistry is not open to 10th graders and can only be taken after successful completion of introductory chemistry. There are a myriad of factors to consider when choosing a chemistry level. These include the student's math placement, the biology teacher's recommendation, the rigors of each level, and the work ethic of the student. Please keep in mind that when considering a course level, that honors chemistry is not easier than gifted chemistry. Honors and gifted students take the same assessments and learn the same content with the same degree of rigor and depth. The difference in the 2 levels involves the instructional approach and whether a student has tested into the gifted program. Students testing into the gifted program will be placed into the gifted chemistry sections. These sections are taught by gifted certified teachers who specialize in instructional strategies for the gifted learner. Let's dive into the information you'll need to assist you in making an informed decision about course level. The first factor to consider when choosing a course level is math placement, as the field of science involves applied mathematics. For the CP or college prep chemistry student, the recommended math co-requisite is geometry, concepts, and connections, or a higher math. For the honors and gifted student, the recommended math co-requisite is advanced algebra, concepts, and connections, or a higher math. Students in the honors and gifted chemistry sections should be extremely comfortable applying math principles in their science class. Students who struggle with math typically struggle with honors gifted chemistry. The second factor to consider when choosing the course level is the recommendation of the biology teacher. This teacher has worked with the student and knows whether he or she will be better suited for the CP or honors gifted level of chemistry. I urge you to truly go with the recommendation of the biology teacher. It's important to fully understand the expectations of college prep or CP chemistry versus honors and gifted chemistry when making a choice level. With CP chemistry, students are expected to master the topics covered in the AKS without any honors and gifted extensions. Because there are no honors and gifted extensions for this level, content does not have to be covered at such a fast pace. This pacing means that students get more practice over a longer period of time to ensure mastery of the content is attained. This also permits more in-class practice and support from the teacher. There will still be homework 2 to 3 nights a week involving reviewing notes and reading in the textbook and completion of any classwork that was not completed in class. In honors and gifted chemistry, students are expected to not only master the chemistry AKS, but also the honors and gifted extensions built into the AKS. This means students will learn more in-depth material with a mathematical emphasis, increasing the rigor and depth of knowledge students are expected to master. More content to cover means that there is a much faster pace, and students must be able to master content quickly as something new will be learned each day. There will be homework most nights so that students can practice that day's material before learning new content the next day. Expect nightly homework. In CP chemistry, summative assessments will include both multiple choice and free response formats. Free response involves students communicating their learning in a written form. Application is emphasized over memorization. In honors and gifted chemistry, summative assessments will include both multiple choice and free response formats. Free response involves students communicating their learning in a written form and emphasizes the AKS honors and gifted extensions. Just as in college prep, application is emphasized over memorization. Students suited for CP chemistry are those who are typically more extrinsically motivated and require teacher support to develop critical thinking skills. These are students who need support in learning to be more self-directed and independent. Students who are best suited for the honors and gifted sections are typically more intrinsically motivated and independent thinkers. Teachers will work to continue to develop critical thinking skills. Honors and gifted students exhibit a high degree of independence and ability to manage nightly homework, long-term assignments, and set deadlines. Please consider your chemistry level carefully to ensure that students stay on track to complete their 4 years of required science in time for graduation.